Located in Fujairah, Wadi is one of the few natural sources of fresh water in the UAE. The area is recognized by the Ramsar Convention as a wetland of international importance and is being showcased as part of Dubai Expo 2020.
It's one of the only place in UAE where you have this water present all year long. You have streams, you have this waterfall, you have pools.
The freshwater helps support a diversity of unique wildlife. Protection of this area is crucial for the conservation of nature in the UAE.
Most of the wildlife is concentrated within the core zone. It's a mountain area, it's very difficult. You don't see usually the wildlife with your bare eyes because they are very shy, elusive. Most of them are nocturnal. So we use these camera traps. But imagine when you have 50 camera traps. To keep these camera traps operational, how many rangers you need, how much time you spend just to keep them running.
Due to the dangers involved in gathering camera traps, drones could be an invaluable resource in this environment. We propose the use of autonomous drones to collect images from the photo traps. As a drone glides over the area, it can wirelessly collect camera trap data.
By reducing the time we spend in the field, we reduce the risk. So we create more safe environment for our rangers to operate in. And instead of them just walking for 2 days to maintain one camera trap, they can focus more on poaching as an example. They can do other work. So in the end, we will save some time, we will save some lives, and we will do the work in a more efficient way.
This kind of engagement of drone technology would allow the conservation project of the UAE to progress more efficiently and make it a world leader in conservation.